Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. As always, my cameraman's making me laugh. I have a small, I always check and double check the inside of the bags. I have a small Aliexpress order. Let's take a look and see what I got. Uh-oh, I can't. Okay, that's it. These are these are for Winterfest 27. We're going to do a Western theme. So I got some charms. I saw them. They were inexpensive. I bought them before they go up like everything else. All right, this I want to be real careful with. I say that and then I'm like heavy-handed and fast with scissors. Well, let me get it here. There we go. I'm ordering way ahead because you never know what's going to happen. Is that all that I got in this order? Never know what's going to happen with the world today. So I ordered ahead of time for some collabs I'm going to be doing later this year. I ordered these. I think they were $1 something because it was $2 for 10. I think it was $1 something for cookies. I thought they were just cute, real cute. Then I went to Hobby Lobby and I found these buttons which will work out just as well, and they were 90% off. I bought a bunch. If I go back to Hobby Lobby and they still have these, I will definitely buy them. Not only are they cute for cookies, but look, they're buttons. How cute is that for your bigger dolls, for a little Christmas outfit? And I was saying that I just did that gingerbread outfit on my Smart Doll boy, my anime boy. These would have been very cute buttons for that outfit. Thank you for watching. Always open your AliExpress or any orders, open on camera, even if you're not going to show it on your YouTube channel, so that you have proof if there's a problem with any of your items. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.